Hello everyone, this is day 4 of writing 15 smart contracts in 15 days. But today I will not be writing a smart contract. Today I will actually be writing a deploy script to deploy the lottery smart contract which I wrote yesterday. So how will I able to do that? I will be able to do that using Hardhat, right? And we are having a command called npx hardhat node which will actually run a dummy Ethereum blockchain onto my local machine, right? Yeah, so that is what I have written over here. It returns a blockchain which is indexed from 0 to 19. So there are total 20 nodes. And we are actually having all the public address and private address of that nodes too, right? Actually to deploy and test the contract locally. So actually we are getting a dummy Ethereum blockchain and we can be able to deploy our contract onto that, right? So it is interesting. So yeah, let's write the deploy script for it. So yeah, I am having this file called deploy.js in my scripts folder. So yeah, in order to interact with the blockchain, I need a library called ethers. So const ethers equals to require hard hat. Then I'll be writing a main function, which will be an async function main. Right. Now what I need is a wallet address of deployer, right? Which will be called where, which will be initialized when the smart contract gets deployed and will actually be with saved into a variable name called manager. Right. So yeah, over here address deployer equals to await and get signers will return me a vault address. Right. Then I will just log it console.log deploying contracts with deployer.address. So I will be deploying our lottery smart contract using this deployer.address. Right. Then what I need is actually connect this lottery smart contract with our deploy script. So let's do that. Lottery equals to await ethers dot get contract factory, and the name of our contract file is lottery. Then what we need is what we need is await lottery dot deploy. So this will deploy the contract using this address. Oh, sorry, I have to store that into a variable. Right? So const lottery equals to await. Okay, and then I have to wait for the contract to get deployed. Lottery dot wait for deployment. Right. Yeah. And then I will just log a simple statement called lottery contract deployed at this wallet address. Right. Okay. And then we'll call this main function dot then is console.log deploy successful. Yeah. Okay. So what it does is runs the main function, right? And if it is run successfully without any errors, it will be showing us the message called deployment successful. And if there are any errors, we are having a catch case over here, then it will be returning us error if there exists any error, right, in our process. Yeah, let's just run this up. So yeah, so now I will take you to my Scalera screen. Now what we need is we need to first run the blockchain onto our local system. So how can I do that? I can do that using npx hardhat node. So I will navigate to my directory where I have initialized Hardhat. So npx hard hard node. Yeah, so you can see I'm having a dummy Ethereum blockchain running on my local system. You can say started a HTTP WebSocket JSON server at this, right, at this link. So yeah, and now the most important thing is to update this URL with this URL, right? So that we can deploy our contract locally, right? So I updated this file earlier. Yeah, so this is the case. And then I have to keep this I have to keep this blockchain running on my local system. And then I need a new terminal, okay? And then I will be running this command to actually deploy the smart contract. So npx hardhat run and scripts and deploy. And I have to actually mention the network also. Yeah, deploy.js network is localhost. So I wrote the comment correctly. Network is localhost. Yeah, and I'll hit enter. So I have made a mistake over here. So this will be initialized as a constant variable, right? Yeah, now it should work. Yeah. So it says deployment successful and the lottery contract is being deployed at this wallet address, right? And this address, not wallet address, not the right word to say. And the contract is being deployed using this wallet address, which is the wallet address of our manager, right? Which is being fetched and which is being saved using using this constructor, right? Yeah. So we can actually see that over here. It says contract deployed lottery, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is how we can deploy our smart contract onto a local network. of blockchain which is running onto our local system. So yeah, this was the video for day 4. See you tomorrow.